taking off.
Every year, wildfires burn millions of acres across the United States. They cost families hundreds of billions of dollars. The truth is that with the right technology, we can empower our first responders to stop these fires before they spread. That's why we built Yavin Systems. We're a team of engineers putting our degrees to real work. We're building the tools that firefighters need, not the ones they settle for. And the need is urgent. As of December 23, 2025, the US has banned the sale of foreign-made drones. These are the same drones that our first responders have used for mapping operations and wildfire response. Yavin fills the gap with our American-made hardware. Our drone autonomously flies a survey pattern over an active fire zone or a previously active fire zone and delivers a real-time thermal and visual map straight to incident commanders. This shows them exactly where the fire is moving and where it isn't. Getting here wasn't easy. Thousands of dollars in the air, we crashed multiple times. But we got back up, we rebuilt, and made sure that we were always on a path to building something useful. And we didn't build this in a vacuum. We've been talking to fire departments across California, CAL FIRE, and the United States Forest Service. As an extension to this project, we already have our first paid customer, where we will be doing pre- and post-prescribed burn analytics for a fire department in NorCal. The fire doesn't wait, and neither will we.